In today's video, I will show you how to restore your purchase on Tinder app. Whether you have upgraded to a brand new smartphone or had to reinstall the application to clear out some annoying system bugs, making sure you keep the premium upgrades you already paid for is essential. Tinder actually processes millions of active subscriptions globally, and their built-in recovery system ensures you do not lose out on your features. To get everything reconnected, first open your Tinder app and make sure that you are logged into your profile. Once you are on the home page, click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, click on the gear icon at the top right to access your settings menu, then scroll down and find the payment account section. Next, click on Restore Purchase. It is good to know that this process does not charge your card again, it simply links your existing tier back to your device. Now, if you created a new account and are looking to transfer your subscription from your old account, you can use a direct manual override. Just check your email receipt to find your unique restore token, enter your purchase confirmation below that prompt, and click submit to verify it. And that's it. That's how to restore your purchase on Tinder app.